all, welcome back to Home Decor 101, where we break down beautiful interiors in a way that's easy to understand and even easier to recreate. If you've ever felt torn between traditional and modern styles, or if you're stuck somewhere in the middle, then this video is for you. Today we're diving into one of the most versatile, polished, and beginner-friendly styles out there, transitional home decor. We're going to talk about what it is, how to spot it, where you may have already seen it in the wild, spoiler alert, it's probably in a hotel lobby, and how you can bring that same elegant look into your own home. So let's get started. So I guess the first big question here is, what is transitional style? In a nutshell, transitional decor is the perfect blend of traditional and contemporary design. I call it like the new generation traditional. It really takes the best of both worlds, the timeless, comfortable feel of traditional design and the clean, updated elements of modern style, and mixes them in a way that feels balanced and fresh. It's classy, but it's not stuffy. It's modern, but it's not cold. It's simple, but never boring. So think soft, neutral color palettes, clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a mix of textures that feel both cozy and elevated. If traditional decor is your grandmother's house and modern is a minimalist loft downtown, transitional is that perfect middle ground that feels warm, livable, and sophisticated. So now let's talk about how to spot transitional style when you see it. So you need to look for a neutral color palette, which would include lots of creams, soft grays, taupes, and muted blues. Also some streamlined furniture, not overly ornate, but still cushioned and comfortable. Minimal patterns. You might see subtle stripes or tone-on-tone prints, but nothing too bold or busy. You'll also see a mix of materials. Wood, glass, metal, linen, and leather can all coexist beautifully in a transitional room. You'll see decor that feels curated, not cluttered. Every piece has a purpose, but nothing feels really stark or severely out of place. You might walk into a transitional space and not even realize it at first, because the goal is to make you feel relaxed and at ease without any one element screaming for your attention. It's like the little black dress of interior design. It just works. Now you might be wondering, okay, this style looks really familiar. Where have I seen this before? Let me give you a few real-world examples where transitional design takes center stage. So you should definitely check out luxury hotels like the Langham Hotels, known for their soft palettes, tailored furniture, and understated elegance. Also, the Four Seasons hotels, especially in cities like Chicago and Scottsdale, where the lobby decor blends classic silhouettes with modern touches. And stepping aside from hotels for a moment, every RH showroom. Now, if you know, RH used to be Restoration Hardware, that store, which I love. They are textbook transitional. Their neutral color schemes, the oversized sofas, and balance of old world and new elements are transitional gold. These spaces feel high-end but approachable, comfortable but still really elevated. And now you know why, because they're leaning heavily into transitional design. Okay, so I've showed you a lot of different examples. If you're ready to bring that hotel lobby elegance into your home, here we go. These are a few beginner-friendly tips to really get started with transitional style. The first one would be to start with a neutral foundation. Paint your walls a soft beige, a warm white, or grayish. This creates a calm, clean backdrop. Tip number 2, choose furniture with simple lines. Look for pieces that are classic in shape but updated in tone. Think a rolled arm sofa in a neutral fabric, or a streamlined coffee table with wood and glass elements. Also, mix materials. Pair maybe a linen sofa with a leather ottoman. Use a wood console table under a sleek metal mirror. It's all about contrast with harmony. Tip number 4, keep your accessories minimal. Use a few statement pieces, maybe a sculptural lamp or a really oversized vase or a framed abstract print. Skip the overly busy gallery walls or knickknack overload. And then number 5, add texture for warmth. Think cozy throw blankets, woven baskets, a jute rug, or velvet pillows. Layering textures keeps your space from feeling flat and just blah. It always gives you something interesting to look at. And good news, I've linked some of my favorite transitional style finds from Amazon down in the description box below, so be sure to check those out if you're looking to shop the look without breaking the bank. So why is transitional style so popular? And why might it be perfect for you? Now, it's popular and it might be perfect for you because it's timeless. It doesn't go out of style like trends do. It's flexible. You can lean more traditional or more modern depending on your taste. You're always able to move that dial. It's also very easy to maintain. Neutrals and simplified layouts are easier to keep looking fresh. It's also very peaceful. It creates a calm, comfortable vibe that works for families, for singles, and everyone in between. So, whether you're decorating your first apartment, updating your forever home, or staging a house for sale, transitional decor always feels just right. So, there you have it, Transitional Home Decor 101. Now that you know what it is, how to spot it, and how to bring it into your own space, I hope you feel inspired to try this timeless, easygoing style in your home. If you loved today's video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Plus, tap the little bell in the upper right-hand corner so you don't miss any upcoming home decor tips. And don't forget to check out the description box for my favorite transitional Amazon picks, from lamps to sofas to even some decor accents I have in there, all hand-picked to help you create a space that you love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Until then, stay cozy, stay creative, and keep decorating with confidence. Remember, it doesn't matter if you love the transitional style or you like the traditional. The best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a feeling of gratitude. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.